While the sweet rolls are proofing, we're going to go ahead and make the glaze and the roll icing. So from now on, when I refer to something in here as glazed and iced, this is exactly what you're going to do. Glaze is very easy to make. It's half corn syrup and half water, whatever proportion you use. You can either heat it on the stove, or I find it more energy saving and quicker to put it in my microwave. While that's heating up, we're going to go ahead and make the roll icing. Into this pot, I put, we're on page 142 now. I put 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of shortening. The shortening gives the roll icing the mouthfeel. The salt, by now you should know, that's what the salt does. It balances everything out. We're going to either boil this on the stove, or, like I said, we can microwave it, which is probably more energy efficient and as well quicker. After this is done microwaving, we're going to fold in our 3 cups of powdered sugar. Let that cool a little bit. Then we're going to add our egg whites. Now, the egg whites are to give this glaze a real good sheen. There's a remarkable difference in roll icing made with egg whites and without. If you're kind of leery about putting the egg whites in there, don't. I mean, it's just going to be a cosmetic thing. Also, we're going to add the vanilla last because we don't want to add vanilla while it's cooking, as that will dissipate the flavor. The heat dissipates the vanilla. Okay, our glaze is done. Let me pull that out of the oven. Going to pop in our roll icing real quick. Let's see, get a whip out here. Also going to need a brush. My pastry brush is in the sink. I'll have to wash that out. Alright, the ingredients are boiled. Shortening's melted. Take our lid off, set it aside here. Put in our 3 cups of powdered sugar. I know this looks like a lot of sugar, but wait, it will dissolve. Stir it around with your whisk. Okay, stir it good with your whisk till you get all those lumps of powdered sugar broken up. Alright, there we go. Nice roll icing. Nice and sweet. Okay, now we're going to add our egg whites. The reason we don't put our egg whites in before is because if we boil them in there, we could have scrambled egg whites. So we want to add this after this has come out and cooled this a little bit. And then finally, we're going to add our teaspoon of vanilla. 1 cap equal to half a teaspoon. There we go. Hold it in well. Taste as you go along. Always make sure you got it. It's perfect. It's got a nice mouthfeel. Good roll icing.